And it's nothing. So, now, mamaban sa aking book. Nasaan yung pwede ko ilagay sa... Alam ko na, wait lang guys.
Outside, because it really smells bad.
Sandra, come back to sleep. I have the early meeting out of town. It's still dark outside. I know. Papa, I'm just sitting. What do you want? But you are outside. Go back to bed. It will be enough. You know I'm going. Go back. Sweetie. I'm going back. Mami, nakita mo yung blue ko na suklay?
Wala.
Asa bag ko lang yun eh. Baka nandito sa kabila. Tama ako. Yan guys. Him, her, him, bodies. They're all dead. Look. Wait. So guys, I'm gonna show you my bag. Wait. Guys, this is my whole bag. This is the whole bag. See you in part 3. Bye.